Hello guys, welcome back to the Engineering Foundation series and welcome back to the channel officially. So this is our episode 2 for branching and merging. So let's go and start with the demo. Okay, so I am about to create new repo and let me name it as demo project, something like this. Just leave it as it is, and this is the public repo, and let's start creating. Okay, so now you can see that this repo has been created. You can see there is a link to copy, and this is how SSH looks like. I am into my VS Code and I'm going to create a new directory, something like make demo project. Okay, demo project directory has been made and we will going to redirect into that particular directory right now. Okay, let's clear the window and let's start cloning our repo. Git clone, and the link we just copied. Now it is starting the cloning. Okay, so there we don't have anything, so it is saying that there is a empty repo. Okay, so I will go inside the demo project folder. Now I will create the new branch, git checkout -b. New branch and will be the name new. Okay, so we are switched to the new branch and we will going to do some change in this particular branch. For that I will create new file and give it name as, let's suppose, divide.py. Write some code here and now I will just call it. Okay, then you can see if I do git status, you can see that add.py, divide.py I haven't committed it. Those two files are just created. If I add any one of the file and check the status again, you can see these changes are needed to be committed now, and this is the untracked file because this is not added yet. So let us add divide.py as well. Okay, and now let's check the status. You can see add.py, divide.py, these two files are yet to be committed. Then just create the commit for it and we'll do git commit for the same. Now enter the message like add and divide files added. Okay, and let's save the commit. You can see that the commit has been successfully completed. Now we are going to push these changes. Before that, let us check what is the branch name, so we should not do any mistake. So you can see we are on branch new, so we will just push git push -u origin new. You can see that the changes have been successfully pushed to the branch. Let us go to the GitHub and check. Now I am on my GitHub and I am going to refresh, and you can see add.py and divide.py with the same contents we have written have been added here. Okay, so this is the change we have just done in the main branch. Now I am going to create the clone of this particular repo. Okay, so I am on Madhvi Sonone 2026 GitHub channel. Let me log out from here. So this is the public repo, so I have this particular two files we just added and I am going to clone this particular repo. Okay, before that we need to fork this repo, doing new fork for the repo. Okay, so fork this means that we will be having the complete copy of the particular repo. So I am inside the demo project and this is the complete different folder. Okay, demo project is already there, but this is the different folder. I am into the demo project and let me clone that particular repo here as well. So you can see add and divide.py have been here now. So if we check the status, we will not going to get anything for sure. Okay, these are different files. Let us navigate into the main demo project and check the status again. You can see this is the up-to-date branch. Okay, and right now I am going to set the origin as that particular ID. So git remote set URL origin with the name, and if we do git remote -v, we will be going to get the origin. Okay, and my upstream will be this. Okay, so if we do git remote -v, you can see my origin is the main, my personal GitHub, and this is my YouTube GitHub which I'm currently using. Has been set to the upstream right now. Okay, so git status, we are on the new branch. Let us create one new branch. Let us rename it as feature A. Okay, and let us do some changes inside it. We will be going to create new file. Suppose we are going to create subtract.py, and we are going to write one subtract function for the same. This is the file we just created. Let us check the status. You can see subtract.py is the untracked file. If we add it, it will be tracked. Okay, now it is going to track, and if we commit this particular file, it is asking for the message, and the message will be subtract module added. Okay, and if we do status, there is nothing here. Okay, let's try to push this branch as well. Git push origin and the branch name feature A. You can see the new pull request has been created. So it is asking us to open a new pull request. This is the file we just changed, and if we hit create pull request, the new pull request will be created. Okay, now it's checking if it is able to merge or not. So you can see there are no conflicts with the base branch, and if we go into the pull request, we can see that our pull request opened by this ID has been successfully created. So we don't have the authority to merge this particular branch. So let me go back to the previous account of mine. Okay, so I logged in using my another account, Marthisonone1, and if we check the pull request, we can see that it has been raised by another ID of mine, and here I have the option to merge the request. Okay, so I'm currently merging this particular PR, and if we go back to our code, we can see subtract module has been added, but this change has not been reflected to our local. Okay, I'm going to switch to the main branch with the name new. Okay, I will just pull origin from new branch. So new is my master branch. You can see I just have the subtract module here as well. Okay, if I check git remote -v, I am into my original particular upstream directory, which is the Marthisonone 2026 Repo demo project. We are locally here for the coding enthusiast 9857 IT. Okay, and if we check out to the new branch now, and if we check the graph, you can see I already had this, the very first commit we made, and this is the second commit we made. Okay, but this branch is not updated with the original branch. So let me pull it. You can see now it has been already up to date, but we are not able to see the subtract module, right? So why it has been happened? Let us upstream first from the new branch. So now you can see we have the subtract module, and we have taken the pull from the upstream branch. So this means upstream branch have this particular change with the subtract.py module, but I'm going to create new branch now, and if I show you, I am currently on the new branch, which is working as our main and master branch. So we will be going to create new branch from here, and the new branch will be with the name feature B. So now we are switched to feature B, and we are going to create new mod numbers, something like this, with two. This is written A mod 3, and we are going to print the result simply. Okay, mod numbers and then mod 3. Let me just pass the numbers. Okay, and output will be 1. So if we check the status, we have more.py file. Let us add that particular file. Now we have added and it's waiting for our commit. Let us add and commit it with the message more module added. Okay, you can see on the feature B the commit ID is generated with the one file changed and 4 lines of insertions. Okay, so let us push this particular change into our origin branch. For that we will be going to hit the command git push -u origin feature B. So the new repository, the head repository is this, and the base repository, which is my upstream repo, is this. We are going to push from this particular repo to this particular upstream repo. So let us create the pull request, and you can see I have successfully created the pull request, and now I am able to merge as well because I am on the upstream repo. Let us check the file. This is the file. Let us check the code. We don't have anything yet added, and let me merge the pull request now. So you can see now it is merged, and let us check the code as well. It has been merged. You can see the more.py has been come here as well into the new branch, because that change has been into the feature B branch, then we merged and then we taken a pull from the main branch. Okay, so now we have it like this. So let us check the graph as well. Git log -graph -1 line -all. Okay, so this is the merged PR which we just merged with this particular commit ID, the more module which we have added, and you can, okay, we are currently on feature B. Let us rebase this particular branch with the main branch which is new. Okay, it is up to date. Let us check out to the new branch. Okay, we are on the new branch, and you can see there is no more because on the local we do not have any copy and we haven't taken the pull 8. So let us do git pull upstream new, and you can see more has been come here as well. So this is from the upstream. Now let me rebase this particular new branch with the upstream branch. So you can see this branch is already up to date. So let us check the one line graph again, how it looks like. So you can see here as well it is look like the same branch, and we are taking the pull from it. Okay, so it is rebased and updated. Okay, let us check the logs. You can see that there are commit IDs which are getting generated on each commit we had done. How merge works. So let us start with the merge. Let me create one new branch here itself with the name feature C, and let me create one more file, something as boardmass 1.py, and let us write something here. Okay, so this is a simple demo program with evaluating the expression. Let us check the status, and let us add this particular file. Now it has been added. Let us check the status again. You can see there is the change which is asking for the commit. Let us add and commit it with a simple message boardmass file added. Now we'll take the fetch from the origin, and we will going to merge this branch into the new branch which is our master branch. You can see it is saying that it is already up to date. Okay, then we are going to start with creating new fresh repo. Then we will fetch and clone the same repo into our new account, and then we'll try to push some of the changes by creating new branch. And then we will check how to create a pull request, how to get the latest code from the upstream and the origin branch. And let's start with it. Let us understand what happens when we create new branch and other developer creates new branch. So let us understand it by this way. There are two developers, one is Rohit and another one is Priya. Okay, so Rohit has just created the new branch with the name C bar, and Priya created the new branch with the name D bar. Okay, so when Rohit created the branch, from the main branch there was the C feature. Okay, C commit, we can say these are the commits: commit A, commit B, commit C, commit D. So there was the commit C when Rohit has taken the pull from the master branch and created the new branch. After that, someone else come and someone else done some of the changes in the main branch, and now the branch D is the latest commit. And right now Priya has taken the pull from that particular branch, considering it as a master branch, and created the new branch with the D bar name. Okay, so both of them have been created another branches with another master parents. Okay, so what happens when someone do git rebase and someone do git master? Let us understand this way. Okay, Rohit has been checked out with the master branch and created the new branch with the C bar. Okay, so Rohit has completed its task and he wanted to push the changes. So as you can see, there is the linearity between the commits, and these are some of the hash IDs which are mentioned with each and every commit we made. Okay, so C branch was the parent of C bar branch which Rohit has taken, and D branch was parent of D bar branch which Priya has taken. Right now Rohit has made two commits. Okay, from this particular commit and another one commit, let's suppose. Okay, so this was the latest master branch. Instead of doing merge, Rohit has done rebase with the master branch. So Rohit was on the master branch, he take out the latest pool and then he done the rebase with the master branch. Here it should be master, not C bar. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, so git rebase with the master branch on the branch C bar. So right now what happens is there are some of the commit IDs which were getting generated. Okay, now when Rohit has done rebase, Git completely understand it as a different commit and Git has appended it as the parent of D master commit. Okay, so now it becomes E bar and F bar. So we do not have the backup of this particular branches now. The commits are same, but the commit IDs have been changed. Okay, so this means whatever files you have changed, you will be having backup of those files, but the commits have gone completely. Okay, so this has happened in the rebase. So next, this is about the merge. Okay, so how it works in merge. So D was the main branch, this is the rebased branch, and Priya decided to merge. So what happened? She has taken one another branch to create another feature and another branch to create another feature. Let us understand, for login feature she has taken D1 branch and for sign up she has taken D2 branch. She has made some of the file changes, some of the another file changes, and this is how she has done. So her flow looks like this. What she has done, she has checked out to the master branch and she has fetched the origin and now she has merged the branch. Okay, here also it should be merge. So git here should be master, so git merge with the master branch. So what happened, instead of doing it as a linear, it has created this particular non-linear structure, and the commit ID is not changed now. It has been having the two parents X and Y with the merged commit of the Priya named M. Okay, so the commit ID is same, in the rebase, commit id was getting changed and merged commit id is same, and commit id is same is very much important. This is because कि जब भी हम सपोज हमारा कोई और टीम मेंबर है, कोई और डेवलपर है जिसने हमारी ब्रांच से पुल किया है और उसके बाद भी वो चेंजेस है और हमने कर दिया रिपेस, तो हम डायरेक्ट पुश नहीं कर सकते चेंजेस को, हमको करना पड़ेगा फोर्स फिट लिस्ट, और आइदर अगर फोर्स फिट लिस्ट वर्क नहीं कर रहा तो हमको करना पड़ेगा पुश। तो इस केसेस में क्या होगा, जो कमिट आईडी है दैट विल बी कंप्लीटली रिप्लेस्ड इन द केस ऑफ रिबेस। Instead, it is if the code is the production level code, always recommended if you are working in a complicated project, there are several branches, there are several folks to the another people. So if they are also working on another branches, always recommended to do the merge, not the rebase. Okay, merge with the master branch and then push all of your commits. This is how it should be working. So this is just for the example. I have created one particular commit with the Python demo file. This was my commit id. Okay, and that particular branch is the linear like this because there are some of the branches which I have created from this particular branch, but when I switch to another branch, the new commit id got generated, then again from that branch I have made one another commit, so new commit id got generated, and now I have been doing rebase to the upstream master, not rebase, the merge with the upstream master branch. So it has been merged and the new commit id got generated. This is how in reality it looks like. Okay, so I hope you got an idea how merge and rebase works. If you have any question how force with lease works, how force works, please let me comment it down. I will address it as well. Thank you for watching.